Partner Service Network makes it easy for you to find partners and for other partners to find you. In this video, we'll show you how to find a partner and send a request, and how to set up your company profile so that other partners can find you. Partners are displayed on the map with colored circles indicating their coverage zones. You can filter your search results based on the devices supported or the partner's location type. Once you've selected the partners you want to work with, you're ready to create a service request. The service request form guides you through 3 stages. Describe the customer need, select the services you need the partner to provide, then review and submit your request on the summary screen. You only need to enter the postal or zip code and country for now. Specify the desired site delivery and installation dates. You're now ready to select the services you need. You can toggle on multiple services and add them to a single request. Once you have selected all of the services you need, you can advance to the summary screen. Each selected partner will receive an email notification with your request. Partners can open the record to share information, negotiate, and accept the request. You can communicate with the partner in the request activity stream. You'll receive a notification when a message is posted. You can check the status of your outbound requests on the home page. To make sure your company can be found by other partners who might need your services, it's important to make sure your coverage zones are added to the map. On your account profile page, you can add your logo and company website. The coverage area is created with a 50-mile radius around your selected address. You can reposition and resize the coverage area on the map as needed. You can also add locations for your company headquarters, branches, single locations, and even for individual remote technicians. You can maintain your own personal profile in the user menu.